Hey there. Ever wished you could unlock the secret to making someone fall head over heels for you? Well, today's your lucky day because I'm diving deep into the whisper method. This isn't about manipulation or tricks, it's about genuine connection. Right, so what exactly is the whisper method? Picture this. It's all about using your voice, your energy, and your words to create an irresistible vibe. Think of it as a magical tool to whisper your way into someone's heart. First things first, let's talk about the power of your voice. Your tone can convey so much more than just words. It can express warmth, excitement, sincerity. When you speak to the person you like, make sure your voice is calm, gentle, and inviting. Imagine you're sharing a secret that only the two of you can understand. This creates an intimate atmosphere instantly. Next up, let's talk about the words you choose. Compliments are great, but they need to be genuine. Instead of generic praises like "you're so pretty," try something more specific. I love the way your eyes light up when you talk about your passions. Specific compliments show that you're paying attention and truly appreciating them for who they are. Now let's dive into the whisper part. This doesn't mean you literally have to whisper, but lowering your voice can create a sense of intimacy. When you're talking to someone, lean in slightly and speak softly. It makes the moment feel special and personal, like it's just between the two of you. One crucial aspect of the whisper method is timing. Use it in moments when you're alone or in a quiet setting. Crowded, noisy places won't have the same impact. Find those quiet moments to connect and let your words sink in. Now, remember, this method isn't about controlling someone's feelings. It's about creating a space where genuine connections can flourish. It's about being present, attentive, and sincere. Love is a two-way street, and the whisper method helps you walk that path together. So go ahead, give it a try. Unlock the power of your voice and words, and see how it transforms your connections. Remember, authenticity is key. Be yourself and let your true feelings shine through. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tips. Until next time, stay magical.